My name is Zarfisha Begum and this is my picnic basket for my assignment 2. So I use the resources mat. So this is picnic mat. So kids can use as a mat, and these are 3 pieces of paper. I use shiny paper and so they can write down and wash it. And I have magnifying glass. This is kid safe, and I just made a pretended first aid kit and 1 empty bottle of sunscreen, 1 empty bottle of water, hand sanitizer, and 2 washable markers, kid safe, and I have couple of kid size plates, tissues so they can use in during the picnic, burger, kid size plates. And I have a lot of fruits and vegetables, pretend juice bottles, fruits, pizza, kid size cutlery, and cut vegetables for they can pretend they are making salad with their friends. So I use this kind of vegetable and fruit so they can cut it and they can share it with each other. So this is kid safe knife, plastic knife, variety of fruits and vegetables, and watermelon. Of course, no picnic is without watermelon. Okay, so I can use this basket outside, inside. So my 3 goals for this basket, so improve their 3 development area: perceptual skills, motor skills, and their language skills, speech and language skills. And it can connect with the other areas also. So I can describe how we can improve their motor skills, perceptual skills, and their social skills. So picnic is a social thing. So kids, they enjoy playing with each other. So I use this material so they can pretend they are setting their table, picnic table. So they can improve their creative thinking. It can improve their motor skill, fine motor skills. They are touching different texture, perceptual skill, and their social skills. Because picnic is social skills, so of course they are playing with their friend. They can take it outside. They can play with this inside. So I have different kind of spoons. So kids can pretend a real life they are having picnic. I put a lot of fruits and vegetables so they can understand about the when we are going outside in real life in the picnic, so they can use the fruit and vegetables. And kids, of course, they love pizza, so they have pizza, and they have watermelon. So I make a list of things. I can explain it later. So in this, how can we use this to improve our motor skill? So they cut, and this is they use the different shape. It goes to their perceptual skill, so they can recognize different shapes. So, and I make like pretend food salad. So when they are in the daycare setting inside, they can use this as a, they are making a fruit salad, and this is water bottle and hand sanitizer, and they can use it outside. So I can put a couple of bandages and insect wipes, and they are safe, child safe. They are in the packing, so they cannot open it, but they can pretend it. And if we are taking this basket outside or inside, things happen inside, kids get hurt. So the other kid, they can help their friend, so they can understand how to help their friend, how can feel about other people. And the hand sanitizer for hygiene purpose, so we are eating, we can use it inside or outside. Water bottle is very important for hydration, so they can understand how to hydrate themselves. Outside they can use sunscreen, and it has a texture, smell, so they can improve their skills. And for this, then they can make a tidy and clean table for their picnic. And I have, so for this, I make this activity. So even we can use it indoor and outdoor, both, this picnic basket. Okay, so with this activity, we have to teach kids how to use the magnifying glass. So outdoor, when they take it outside, this is a list how to use this, find the thing in nature with magnifying glass, and how to use without magnifying glass. So with magnifying glass, they can learn about, they can find the stuff outside, and inside they can find inside, like in the book or somewhere. So, and this list is when they can find outside, and it connect to science area, so they can learn about insects, their life of cycle, and about the trees, about their environment. And I made a 3 list. This is checklist for their picnic checklist. So sometimes they can learn about math, 1 2 3, like that. And when they are making this checklist, they can learn about different alphabets, and they can use this marker to check that and add more lists, so they can learn about alphabets, and they can just pretend they are writing the things, so they can improve their writing and reading skills. So they can read, sometimes they use over and over, they can start reading the stuff. And first aid kits, water, this is very important for safety, so they can use this to clean their hands, so they can, and this is about their health and safety. So safety, and they can hydrate themselves and use this. Inside the daycare center, they can use it in kitchen area, they can use this in their reading area and dramatic area, and they can play with that. My main and important goal for this picnic basket is that kids, they can have fun, they can feel safe, and they can learn about nutritious value, fruit, vegetable, they can get healthy, they can go, if they are going outside, they can go with their friends, and this is a group activity, so they can talk to each other, and they can play with each other. This is socializing thing, socialized basket. And when we are going outside with our kids in the daycare, they learn about this thing. And sometimes kids, they can imagine they have something in their learning center, so in their daycare center, so they can use this skill there. They can ask their mom, can we have some corn, some the apple and this thing, so we can go in real life and use these skills also. They can help their parents to collect the basket, and they can make the choices, healthy choices for the food, because I use a lot of food in that. And sometimes they really want to try to this food, but these are not real food. In real life they can ask their parents, can we have this food, and this is healthy food. So I introduce in this way healthy food, and they can learn, they can take the first aid kit outside. This basket we can use it in the daycare setting, and when weather is good they can use it outside. This is not about any theme. We can use it all season basket, so we can have this food in all seasons. And inside they can play with like a picnic, inside picnic. And when they are going outside, I make this basket so kids can easily carry it outside and put all the stuff inside and take it outside, and they can play in the nature, so they can run and they can have fun. So my basic point is that kids, they can have fun, they can learn about food, they can learn about their safety, they can use their hand eye coordination, they can develop their area, or they can develop their different areas, language, arts. So they can learn from their environment. They can, if they're inside, they can teach each other how to use this thing. So this is very useful basket for the daycare. Thank you so much for watching my presentation.